The School Experience Room is based in the Learning Centre Library on Cyncoed campus. It is a space used by a variety of students for group work and individual study. It is also where the library hosts events for students and the local community. The School Experience Room has a collection of materials to support your practical teaching experience. There are textbooks and non-fiction aimed at early years, primary and secondary school education that covers core subjects including religious education, maths, English, science and PE. Here you can keep up to date with the latest teaching practices with a selection of good quality journals. For students and staff interested in children's literature and illustration, there is a good range of award-winning and quality picture books and fiction. There is a collection of Welsh language teaching practice books as well.
Hi, I'm Ellie and I study education. I find that the School Experience Room provides a wealth of practical and educational resources for my coursework and teaching. There are oversized picture books, religious artefacts to encourage culture and diversity, and tactile story bags with puppets and props.
The resources help my teaching become more enjoyable and fun, and I can use them for storytelling and interaction with my pupils.
When he came to the place where the wild things are, they roared their terrible roars and gnashed their terrible teeth.
Your views on how library services can develop the School Experience Room is important. If you'd like to give feedback, please get in touch. Thank you for watching.